The Suzuki Mehran has been a legendary car in the budget-friendly segment, known for its affordability, reliability, and ease of maintenance. You're welcome to World Rides Review. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. With the launch of the 2025 model, Suzuki aims to bring modern updates while retaining the simplicity that made the Mehran a household name. In this detailed review, we will explore the design, performance, technology, safety, and pricing of the Suzuki Mehran 2025. Exterior and design. The 2025 Suzuki Mehran features a refreshed design while keeping its classic compact look. The front grille has been slightly modified, and the headlights now incorporate LED elements for better visibility. The car maintains its lightweight body, making it ideal for city driving. The overall shape remains boxy but with smoother edges, giving it a more modern appearance. The Mehran now offers 13-inch alloy wheels as an option, providing better stability and style. Interior and comfort. While Mehran has always been a minimalistic car, the 2025 model brings slight upgrades to improve comfort. The dashboard now features a digital speedometer, a basic touchscreen infotainment system, and improved air conditioning. The seats are designed with better cushioning, and the legroom has been slightly increased to enhance passenger comfort. Suzuki has also introduced power windows and keyless entry in higher variants, making the Mehran more user-friendly than ever. Performance and engine options. The Suzuki Mehran 2025 continues to be powered by a fuel-efficient 800cc engine, delivering around 40 horsepower. This engine is well known for its durability and low maintenance costs. Suzuki has introduced an upgraded FE electronic fuel injection system, improving fuel economy and performance. With a 5-speed manual transmission and an optional automatic variant, the Mehran remains an excellent choice for budget-conscious drivers looking for a reliable car. Technology and infotainment. Despite being a budget-friendly car, the new Mehran includes some essential technology upgrades. The infotainment system now supports Bluetooth connectivity and USB ports. The digital instrument cluster provides necessary driving information with better clarity. Suzuki has also included a basic reverse parking sensor to assist drivers in tight parking spaces. While it may not match luxury cars in features, the new Mehran certainly offers practical improvements. Safety features. Safety has always been a concern in small cars, and Suzuki has made some improvements in the 2025 Mehran. The car now includes front disc brakes for better stopping power, seatbelt reminders, and a reinforced frame for added durability. Higher variants come equipped with dual airbags and an anti-lock braking system (ABS), making it a safer option compared to its predecessors. Pricing and availability. One of the biggest strengths of the Suzuki Mehran is its affordability. The 2025 model is expected to launch with a starting price of around 1.8 million Pakistani rupees, making it one of the most budget-friendly cars in the market. With multiple variants, including the standard and upgraded versions, Suzuki ensures that buyers have options that suit their needs. The Mehran 2025 is expected to be available in showrooms by mid-2025. The Suzuki Mehran 2025 continues the legacy of being an economical and practical vehicle for everyday users. With minor but meaningful upgrades in design, technology, and safety, it remains a solid choice for those looking for a low-maintenance and fuel-efficient car. Whether you need a reliable first car or a budget-friendly daily commuter, the new Mehran is worth considering. Stay tuned to World Rides Review for more in-depth car reviews, insights, and the latest updates from the automotive world.